So whoever quotes less, he gets the work.
No, I mean that's okay. I'm not talking about.
Yeah.
I'm just saying in terms of what are the means.
One
is tender.
Yeah, one's tender.
Yeah.
And word of mouth.
And word of mouth. That's a reference.
Word of mouth. Reference is
Obviously.
there. Yeah.
What is the percentage? How much tendered work and how much reference work?
60-40.
60-40. Great. Better.
And there's one more.
Oh, sorry.
Good work brings good work.
Yeah, I think we take that
Yeah.
as a base, right? Because good work always begets
Yes.
better and more work.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
So first of all, first is good content.
Good.
Content.
Good content.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay. So first is good content. Secondly, how well you package that content.
Okay. Packaging. Yes.
Okay. How do you sell that content?
Selling.
Today, thanks to social media and digital platforms, it's become easier, right? And so basically, you have digital marketing and you have PR. These two activities which go hand in hand. And obviously, the word that comes from reference is reference. But to build a brand, you need to have these three things in place.
Sometimes we believe that, taking to what Bezad is saying, especially, so I still will correct you in terms of, yes, we call it selling, but that's not really selling. And as professionals, we don't sell, yes, we like to be seen in places like this. All of us are here for the same reason, right? As much as we're exchanging knowledge, I think we're here for one thing of that PR, which we're all a part of, correct? But that's not enough. So how do you do it?
So we tried
Because-
the marketing.
yes,
first.
yes.
We tried the marketing. It didn't work out for us.
Okay.
For whatever reasons it is. But I think for us the main business comes from word of mouth, references, and of course, as you said, doing good work it gets to more work. Tenders is a smaller part. But yes, we have started actively into PR and marketing, and I think
Please tell
this
us
is
a
something this generation, my generation, the 40 50, we
Yes.
have to learn.
Yes.
The last panel discussion I was on, there were a lot of these influencers who are seen so strong on social media. So my question to them was, does it really get you work? They said yes, it has. So these are some things that I was skeptical of, but I think we are trying to reach out and put ourselves out there, and I hope it opens up our app.
So tell me for 50 is considered as mid-size, but for both of you, when you're looking at about 20 plus people in the organization, say today with all of this marketing that you're doing and activities etc., if tomorrow you get 10 projects, will you be able to take it?
We have recently refused projects because we didn't
Yes.
have the strength. So
Correct.
it is stair stepping. Sometimes you have to, we are hiring करेंगे, बिठाएंगे कहाँ, you need the space also.
Exactly.
So it's slowly forward.
So these are other issues with